Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of fallopian tube for histology practical and slide identification. There are four identification points. Number one is layered muscularis in isthmus, and number two is fimbria, and number three is mucosal folds lined by simple columnar ciliated epithelium, and number fourth is very prominent mucosal folds. These are the four identification points of fallopian tube. I already upload the slide detailed video for identification of fallopian tube on my YouTube channel, and now this is identification points. If you like my videos, press the like button, and for new videos subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to select the all notification to receive my new videos. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.